video here. My name is Angel. Again, welcome. Today we're taking a look at the DJI Osmo 2 mobile. Finally got this little guy over here, and I've been playing around for just 1 day since I just got in the mail yesterday. I'm the type of person that does not like to listen to the instructions or read instructions when setting it up. So when I was setting it up, it took me a while to figure out what was going on. It was not going straight and stuff like that. But I figured it out. Now it's all set up. Look at this guy. Check it out. It looks beautiful. So as you guys can see, it's a different color from the DJI Osmo 1. The other one used to be just pure black. This one is like a charcoal gray color. It still retains the same design as the other one. A couple things have changed. One of them being that you cannot remove the battery on it, not anymore. So instead of having a, switch the battery, have a 4-hour battery. Now you have a internal 13. I think like they're advertising as a 13-hour battery. So that's more than plenty time to do what you have to do. Have not tested it out how long it has lasted, but I mean I left the charging yesterday. I've been playing with it. Battery's still fine. A cool new feature is that this little guy can charge your phone. So with this guy right here, you can charge your phone if you're running low on battery. The only thing is, I believe you cannot charge it and be using it at the same time. Don't quote me on it, but just from the setup that I'm looking at right now, my lightning port is in this side right here. I will not be able to charge my phone and have the Osmo on at the same time. Little details, but it's cool to have that option to charge my phone with it. I mean, I don't think I'm ever gonna use it really, because I usually carry an external battery with me to charge my phone or charge this little guy. So right here is the port to charge your Osmo 2. I left it overnight, so I haven't checked how many hours it took me to charge it. But when I did turn it on, when I did the unboxing of it, it took me about 2 hours to get some battery on it, enough to play around with it. Alright, so you can see this little port right here. This is where the phone sits. It's like a little rubber, has it in the bottom, has it in the top. Little rubber where your phone is gonna sit so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. Thing about that is that, so when I put the phone case on my phone and I put it on the Osmo and I turn it on, when I turn it on, it didn't go as smooth like when I have turned it on without having any cases on my phone. Could be the fact that I haven't really calibrated with the phone case, so it could be that. But I didn't think the phone case will add so much weight on it that it will give me any issues. And also the fact that the phone case makes it thicker so it doesn't sit well in the little gap that it has to sit on the Osmo. This is just a quick video, guys. I'm gonna do a full review, full features, stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a video for YouTube just on my iPhone 10. See how that goes. I'm really excited for that because I know the iPhone 10 has a great camera. I always struggle because I don't know, I haven't tried that, but now when I have this guy right here, I'm really excited to use that feature outside in the streets, vlogging, making a video, photo shoot or something, doing some B-roll with my phone. I think it'll be kind of cool. I have to play around with the settings, I have to play around with the quality because I wanted to match my quality on my camera. So I'm gonna make it 1080p. But I'm really excited for this because we all know that a gimbal for like a DSLR starts around maybe $300–400. So obviously the price difference is huge. It was $125. I mean, who doesn't carry their phone with them? But guys, that's it for this video. This was a quick one. I'll be back again with a full review and a full test on this when I play around more with this. I just wanted to share my quick thoughts on it, and I'll see you guys around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you guys around. Have a great one.